What's up, party people? Michael here, and I'm here to talk to you about home ownership for the average person. If you're someone who lives in Toronto, in Canada, or Vancouver, or any big metropolitan city, but especially Toronto, where I'm from, you're probably thinking, is it even possible to have home ownership these days? This market is crazy. The real estate market in Toronto is nutty. It's just wild. It's not slowing down. It's not in a bubble. It's just continually going up and up and up. And so a lot of people, millennials, people my age, younger, older, they're wondering if home ownership is possible. Well, in this video, we're going to celebrate a client of mine and a very good friend who just put their first down payment on their first property here in Toronto. So this is a big deal. Dreams do come true. It is still possible. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how she did it. All right. So I met her, let's call her Sarah. Okay. Sarah was 30 years old when we started working together. We met in April of 2018. She'd not had any investments, just a little bit of savings. And she was kind of doing really well, actually, living on less. Every video, what do I say? It's not how much you make, it's what you keep that counts. Sarah was in a job where she was only making about $42,000 a year. And she had about $16,000 in cash saved. Some of that was gifts, some of that was just money that she saved, but she was doing really good at squirreling away money every month, basically, because she knew that she needed to live on less. And so she lived in a very reasonable apartment. She was renting, and she had no car. She subwayed everywhere, and she didn't have insurance or gas or any maintenance payments on any cars, right? No car payments. She learned how to live on less at the age of 30 when we met. So she was just saving her money. When we met, I talked about investing and how putting that cash to work and putting that cash every month to work would allow her to make her money grow and make her money work for her, which I'm obsessed about. In every video in my YouTube channel, we talk about that, right? So she is 33 years old now. She's like 33 and a half. She was putting $50 every week with me invested in a TFSA, tax-free savings account, the best place for your money in a kind of registered account with the government, okay? So listen to this. Every week she would put $50, which you can do. I'm sure you can do that. Or you can do $100 every other week for your paycheck. That's not a big deal, right? It's totally doable, totally possible. She said when we did the investing, when we started it, she said, I'm very conservative. I want it to be very conservative investments. So we put it in income funds, okay? And those were from great companies like Fiera, huge company, right? Guardian and BlackRock. Those were the three companies we put in income funds, very conservative. And over the 5 years, her money grew about 3.5 average over the 5 years. Some years it was 8%, some years it was 1%. And there were some months where it was negative, but the average of the 5 years was 3.4%, which is amazing because we beat inflation and we beat the bank's savings rates and GIC rates, okay? So again, your money needs to be working for you and your money needs to be working hard for you. It needs to beat inflation, which is 2% every year. So she would do this amazing savings plan every month, just regularly, automatic, not even thinking about it. This is how it needs to be, $50 a week. And then every once in a while, she'd call me or she'd message me every 6 months and she'd have another $3,000 to deposit into the TFSA. One time she had $7,000. On the regular, she would have $3,000 or $4,000, but one time she had $1,000. She only messaged me and said, I have $1,000. Anything is great. Everything is great, okay? Every dollar you can put in that goes to work for you is better and better and better. So don't be intimidated by these numbers. And she's now a homeowner in one of the hottest growing real estate markets. She just put a down payment on a condo, which is going to be finished in about 2 years, but her down payment is locked in. She's definitely going to qualify for a mortgage. She's getting raises every year. Somewhat, I think personally she has a lot to offer. She could be getting paid more and she could be, making maybe more money annually, but she likes her job. She likes the people she works with. She's happy in her career. So, congratulations to Sarah, because homeownership is still possible. You've done it. Your property is going to grow and appreciate in value over time. You're not going to be putting money towards rent and paying somebody else's mortgage now. In a few years, when your condo's done, it's already going to appreciate in value. That's how the market goes here in Toronto with new construction. And you've done it. You're now a homeowner. You're in this hot real estate market. You've invested your money. So I want to say thank you, Sarah, for trusting me. I'm proud of you. Congratulations. Thanks for watching this video. If you're concerned about home ownership and you want to fulfill your goals and dreams and you're not sure how, or you're open to some help along the way, then click the link below, go to my website and get in touch with me and my team, and we'll see what we can do for you. All right. Thanks so much, and congratulations again, Sarah. Woo!